The topic of today's video is how to remove green screens in Davinci Resolve. So here we are on the edit page of Davinci Resolve, and we're going to remove this green screen. And I picked a difficult one because I wanted to show you that this isn't all sunshine and rainbows. So head to Effects, open Effects, and then search and type in 3D Keyer. Now you can just drag that and drop it right onto your clip. Okay, so now we want to move to the transform icon and we want to choose Open Effects Overlay. And now we can just draw on here. And that's what it looks like. And you'll see that there are some empty spots because of light reflecting and all the green colors not being exactly the same. So we want to fiddle with the D-spill a little bit. And it looks like for this one, I might have to turn it all the way up. And you'll also notice that the light reflecting off of the screen is also causing a few problems. What we want to do then is scroll down in our inspector and jump to Matte Finesse. And we can fiddle with clean black and clean white. You will need to fiddle with this. Generally, I would say you try and pick something a little bit easier than this, but I picked this one just to show you that it can be a bit of a complex thing to do. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.